So once you go ahead and access out Qwen AI, then this is the interface that you see. On the left hand side, you see all of the history of the chats that you have as you keep on chatting in right here, and you have access to new chat as well. You can go ahead and collapse this or expand this section right here. On the bottom, you can see your profile option where you can see the archive chats and access the settings of Qwen AI as well. Over here on the top, you can choose different models of Qwen as you want and also enable temporary chat. Over here, you can see that this is the main area where I can actually type in my message and then interact with Qwen AI. Over here, you have an option to generate artifacts, go for image generation or video generation. There's more features coming soon as you noted here, and you can also enable web search and deep thinking mode as well. If you were to click on the plus button, now you can see that you have an option to upload document, image, video, and audio as well. On the top right hand side, you have an option to access more options over here, and then you can also go ahead over here to access your profile settings apart from here as well. So you access the same settings from over here as you can see. And this is the overall interface, and then as I type in the message, you can see that I can go ahead and edit this, I can go ahead and copy this, regenerate it, and rate it as good or bad response as well. So throughout this tutorial series, we're going to see the different capabilities of Qwen and how we can generate out different contents as we like. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.